video, I will explain why Yangzijiang's latest achievements could mean significant profits for investors. I'll break down their record-breaking order wins, analyze their stock performance, and show you exactly why this could be one of the best investment opportunities in the Singapore market right now. Let's get into it. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I am Iggy here, and I've been covering topics such as stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is featured and ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers with over 800,000 reads. I've covered over 600 videos and reached more than 280,000 watch hours as of November 2024. FREITs. Let's start with the breaking news that's got everyone talking. Yangzijiang just secured an incredible $2.63 billion worth of new orders for 21 vessels. This isn't just another order win. It's a game changer that pushed their total order book to a staggering $14.3 billion for 2024. To put this in perspective, this far exceeds the initial forecasts of $11.3 to $11.6 billion. The market's reaction tells us everything we need to know. The stock opened 11% higher at $2.70, marking its biggest jump in 16 weeks. Even more impressive is Yangzijiang's position as the top-performing stock on the Straits Times Index, with a remarkable year-to-date gain of 96.8%. Now let's dive into what makes these new orders special. The company isn't just building any ships, they're constructing the future of maritime transport. The order includes 12 dual-fuel container ships, which shows Yangzijiang's commitment to green technology. These aren't your grandfather's cargo ships. They're sophisticated vessels designed for a sustainable future. Let me break down their impressive client roster. Maersk, one of the world's largest shipping companies, has ordered 6 LNG dual-fuel 17K TEU container ships. Euroseas jumped in with orders for 2 4.3K TEU container ships. Ocean Network Express didn't want to miss out either, ordering 6 methanol dual-fuel 13K TEU container ships. These aren't just orders. They're votes of confidence from industry giants. The timing couldn't be better. The global shipping industry is undergoing a massive transformation. Environmental regulations are getting stricter, and shipping companies are scrambling to modernize their fleets. Yangzijiang has positioned itself perfectly at this intersection of necessity and innovation. Let's talk numbers that matter to investors. The company is projected to achieve a 2-year EPS CAGR of 166.4%. That's not a typo. It's a reflection of their incredible growth trajectory. Their recurring ROE stands at a robust 26.8%, showing they're not just growing, but growing efficiently. Here's what makes this opportunity even more interesting. Despite these impressive numbers, Yangzijiang is currently trading at a 30% discount compared to its peers. Think about that. You're getting a market leader at a significant discount. The target price is set at $3.20, suggesting substantial upside potential. But let's be realistic about the risks. The company faces challenges like rising steel costs and potential order cancellations. The newly elected U.S. government's policies could also impact the business. However, these risks need to be weighed against their strong order book, which ensures steady income until 2029. The green shipping trend isn't just a passing fad, it's a fundamental shift in the industry. Over 70% of Yangzijiang's order book consists of eco-friendly vessels. This positions them perfectly to capitalize on the global push towards sustainability. Looking ahead, analysts have raised their order win expectations for Yangzijiang to $5.5 billion for 2024. This confidence isn't just based on hope. It's backed by solid industry trends and the company's proven execution capability. If you found value in this analysis of Yangzijiang's remarkable growth story, you're going to love my next video about their record-breaking $21.7 billion orders and detailed analysis of whether Yangzijiang is a safe long-term investment. I'll dive even deeper into their financials and future prospects. You'll find the link to that video in the description below. If you found value in this analysis,